Alright guys, so I am here at the new Durango. It is really nice looking, guys. They got palm trees and it's very spacious, and they even have cactus. Cactus, guys. Ow! That hurts. Boy, it is like a madhouse in here. Fully packed, and the slot machines are really close together. It's kind of like it's an IKEA, but instead of furniture, it's gambling. And now we're at their sports area, guys. It is a lot of sports. My heavens, got so much sports. And in the back over here, we got sports with like a fake lawn and lounge chairs. It appears that slots is the major thing over here at the Durango. Not too many table games, but plenty and plenty of slots. So many slots, guys. And here we have what appears to be a food court named Eat Your Heart Out. I was hoping it would be a buffet, but it is not. That name was quite misleading. And now over here we have a Shang artisan noodle. I really enjoy Shang. I'm looking forward to this, guys. Wow, guys, they also have an oyster bar. Reminds me of the one at Palace Station. There is also a rather dark-looking bar. And here is their high limit area. It's looking pretty good, guys. Everything here is like beige colored. And here we have what looks like a lobby area with people behind desks, as well as what appears to be a retail coffee thing. Looking very fancy and new, guys. And they have an electronic craps table. That's terrific. Take a look. My heavens.
They have no fucking cabs.
There's no cabs?
No cabs.
Is there Uber and Lyft?
Unless you have an app, you have an app. But if you're stupid people who don't have apps,
Oh no.
no cabs.
There's no cabs here, guys. But anyway, Durango. It is terrific. Beautiful looking.
Alright guys, I'm going to call this the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and remember, new Vegas video every Friday.